Hi all. This is a very quick review on the red bar. This is something we've started using here in the past, I don't know, 6 months maybe? I'm not sure. Anyway, very quickly, anytime you see a patient with this red bar appearing on their chart, like engineer Scotty has, you it immediately alerts you to something. You go over here and you see where it says contact privacy constraints. If you click on that, it will take you to the registration page. And if you come down here to privacy notes, it'll tell you what the concern is. So in this case, this is someone who is not vaccinated. So just to review, these are the rules that we have decided this is what we need the red bar for. So you will find a patient with a red bar if there's any gender identity concern or gender dysphoria, so that we are appropriately referring to that child in terms of pronoun. Uh, Anyone with anorexia or bulimia, that helps alert the MAs specifically in terms of getting weights when they check in. Anyone with HIV or SCID, anyone who has completely refused vaccines so that we as providers are aware, and children of employees, just to remind us again that we do have a policy in terms of how we handle health information for employees' children. And this is a page from the cheat sheet, which is located at each of your workstations. So hopefully that helps and just reminds you, but that is the scoop with the red bar. Thanks.